Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So as you can see, this company named Aimeili, they sent me over a gel polish set for me to try out for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the first package. These are solid gel colors, and basically you do have to take a brush and dip into it and then paint it onto your nail. It's very different from traditional gel polish, and here are all the colors. They are glittery colors, and this set is more of like a cool toned color scheme here, and the second one is a bit on the warm side. I find it pretty neat that there's a brush that comes with it. And here is the instructions for painting on these gel polishes. It's really important that you read these whenever you are trying a new product. And there's also a base coat and top coat here, and it comes in 2 bottles. And here I was just looking at the cure times. It's important to also look at cure times for top and base coat. They also sent some nail stickers. It has 30 sheets of nail stickers, and it's all butterfly stickers here. The next one that is here is primer and dehydrator, and it also comes in 2 bottles. The last thing here is this polygel kit. I honestly didn't know this company had polygel at all. So here's how inside of the polygel kit looks. The first thing I picked up was the instruction manual, because you do need to also know cure times for all polygels. All polygel is not the same. They all cure different. They all have different cure times, and I couldn't find any cure times for it. This is the slip solution that is provided in the kit. Dual forms are also provided in here as well. And there is that default brush and spatula end. It also came with a complimentary nail file and some nail forms that I never use. And it came with 6 colors of polygel. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the swatches. So I had the colors all assorted on a napkin to figure out which one I wanted to use, and I figured out that I wanted to use the top one closest to a nude that I like. So I am going to go over my natural nail with the 180 sanding band. I'm doing my non-dominant hand today, and yes, it's so awkward holding a nail drill with your opposite hand. I was doing my best to get rid of the natural shine from my nail plate. I'm not spending too much time on it either. After that, I am going to take some cuticle oil. We are creating a peel off base coat today, so I'm only applying a little bit, and I'm going to rub that in. And after I'm done rubbing it in, I am going to apply a layer of top coat, and I'm going to cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. Once I'm done with that, I am going to take some base coat to adhere my nail tips, because this is the best way to glue on your nail tips when you are using the peel off base coat. So I'm going to go ahead and do that on all of my nails. I did trim and do some slight shaping off camera. I'm going to go ahead and blend the tip with the natural nail. After that, I am going to take some base coat and I'm going to apply that on the entire nail, and I'm going to cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. I'm actually going to be trying out their slip solution today, so I'm going to go ahead and pour that into my dabbing dish, and I'm going to begin with the polygel application. I'm placing a bead at the tip of my nail and I'm going to start blending upwards. So far, working with this polygel, the consistency is really good. I like that it moves wherever you manipulate it to go. It's not too sticky and it's not very firm either, and I think the slip solution liquid itself is pretty good too. I personally think this polygel consistency is really good for beginners. I think it's the easiest to manipulate so far, but unbiased opinion on this brand, their gels have a really good quality, and this is actually the first gel polish brand I ever used when I started doing nails. I even still have their gel polish and they last really long. I do gel manicures on my mom, and these are one of the gel polishes that last a month. Personally, I was pretty surprised when Aimeili reached out to me, only because it felt uncanny that this brand started my nail journey and now I'm doing a collaboration with them. I think you guys should try out this polygel kit. It's actually pretty affordable. It retails for $24.99 on Amazon, and that's pretty good steal because most polygel kits are about $30 and above. Here's how my nails look after application. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off that sticky layer with some alcohol so we can begin filing. So for the gel art portion of the nails, I did apply a thin layer of blooming gel, and I'm taking some white gel polish from Aimeili, and I'm kind of drawing some small lines. I kind of wanted a croc print type of look, so I kind of started that design on my thumb, and I'm going to do that on all of my nails and continue that on the rest of them. So here are how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I have everything I used linked in the description box. Don't forget to use my coupon code thenailwizrd10 at checkout. You do get 10% off of your entire order. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.